My co-founder and I, as you can see over here, wanted to show you how we don't have time to post anything online. And this is the purpose of the app that we've built. And so if I show you this, I'm gonna bring up the main camera and I have a post that I wanna share basically as a recap of the whole week, the projects that I've been working on and so on. So here we go. So this week has been quite interesting. I've pushed one of the projects forward quite fast. This is a thumbnail generator for YouTube. I think that anything that requires any kind of visual content, if it doesn't have a good thumbnail, it won't matter because nobody will see it. So I'm working quite hard on building a project like that. And I've been pushing the features of this platform in which I'm halfway through the implementation of a calendar for scheduling content, especially if you do batches of these. I've also fixed quite a lot of the issues with image generation that we had. So all of that is sorted. I'm starting now the final launch of Mozi AI, which is the AI platform that will basically represent Alex Hormozi. That is a completely non-profit project. I'm really passionate about what he does. I really like what he does, so I wanted to honor some of that and give people the chance to use a project like that. And I have another one in the back of my head now to build a boilerplate repository for the implementation of agents in workflows, in companies, etc. Because I have a feeling that a lot of people want to start with them. They end up with third-party solutions, so I wanted to build one specifically for people. And this is what I want to do. Right, so now that this is finished, when I press the stop button, as you can see, I was in content mode. Then it will take a minute to process all of that, because now what it's doing, it's generating the story behind it. So it's not about generating this with AI, it's about generating a story. So I think this is what we're missing. So we can read this. I'll leave this over here for you to read. I'm not gonna read it for you. But all of these, there are typos. And there will be typos, because I'm not English. So now that I've done this, I can generate with AI an image, for example, or I could attach something. And because my account is linked with LinkedIn, then I can simply post it online straight away. I don't even need to worry about it. When I was talking about the features that I've been working on this week, one of those is a content calendar, and the reason for it is you might decide to do something like this on such a beautiful day, as you can see, where you go post a lot or record yourself quite a lot, and then you want to make sure that you save those posts for later on in the week, but you don't want to worry about when do you need to post or why do you need to post and all of that. And so this is what I wanted to do. As you can see, this is an image that I just found out that I need to fix. But if I go to the recordings and I go to view, then I'm gonna click on generate image, because by the looks of it, it doesn't stay within the main front end, which I need to fix. And so hopefully in a second we'll have what's missing out of this.
A few moments later.
Oh, here it is. And one of the things I need to fix, now that I keep looking at this, is the fact that if I click on it, I cannot see how it's been generated. It says this week's AI sprint, creating real value, not hype. Head of AI recap. So this is what I do. And on top of this is all outside of my day-to-day work. So we're working on a super cool platform for PPC. We're still thinking of a name. I have a name on the back of my head, but I'm not gonna say it yet. I'm hoping that we can share some of that soon. I think mid-Jan will be a good moment to share all of that. Then we also will have our soft launch of our PR platform. And this is not about bombarding journalists. If anybody wants to try this app, I keep saying it, please drop me a message. It's still in beta phase, so I listen to all of the feedback. I have a few people trying it out for me. I do think that if you want to improve your content online, if you want to improve what you post on LinkedIn, LinkedIn is the best inbound platform available. You should use something like this. If you don't have time, as you can see, I'm in the middle of a walk with my co-founder, so just hit me up and I'll send you a link. Cheerio.